Attention parents, are you tired of feeling like your words are falling on deaf ears? Well, prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets to getting your kids to listen and create a positive, long-lasting impact. Let's face it, getting kids to listen is an age-old challenge. Whether it's due to generational differences or a natural desire to assert their independence, finding effective ways to communicate with our little ones can be tricky. But fear not, because child psychologist Reem Raouda has some invaluable insights to share. Raouda, a dedicated mother and therapist, has studied over 200 parent-child relationships and identified a common thread for success: making children feel connected and safe. By using just 6 simple phrases, she's seen remarkable results. The magic phrases: 1. I believe you. Validation is key. When a child spills juice or makes a mistake, reassuring them that they're not to blame is powerful. It creates a safe space for them to express themselves and fosters respect. 2. Let's figure this out together. Instead of issuing orders, present tasks as collaborative efforts. For example, if your child resists cleaning their room, propose a fun cleaning plan together. This fosters a sense of teamwork and makes chores less daunting. 3. You can feel this. I'm right here. It's crucial to validate your child's emotions. Let them know it's okay to feel upset and that you'll support them through it. This builds emotional intelligence and strengthens your bond. 4. I'm listening. What's going on? Give your child your undivided attention. By actively listening and understanding their perspective, you'll dissolve resistance and create a deeper connection. 5. I hear you. I'm on your side. These words build trust and a sense of belonging. When your child feels understood and supported, they're more likely to cooperate and develop a healthy relationship with you. 6. I've got you, no matter what. This phrase assures your child that your love is unconditional. It teaches them that mistakes are okay and helps them develop resilience. But here's where it gets controversial. While these phrases are powerful, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Other child experts, like Jaime Amor from Cosmic Kids Yoga, emphasize the importance of active listening, eye-level communication, and giving children choices. On Reddit, parents share practical tips such as involving children in tasks and explaining the reasons behind requests. The underlying theme? Creating a safe, respectful, and supportive environment where your child feels heard and understood. It's about working together as a team, not against each other. So, are you ready to give these magic phrases a try? Remember, effective communication is a skill that takes practice. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for your unique family dynamic. What are your thoughts on these parenting strategies? Do you have any tips to add? Let's spark a conversation in the comments and learn from each other's experiences.